Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will build a media catalog. Step number 1, define class movie. In the body of the class, pass init method that should to accept self, title, year, director, and duration as parameters. Step number 2, define string method that accepts self as a parameter and return f-string, self-title, self-year, self-duration in minutes, and self-director. Step number 3, create movie1 instance of the movie class and print this instance. Step 4, add if statement in init method. In if condition, use the trip function on the title. This function will help you to get rid of spaces in the beginning and in the end of a title string. Check if this title is empty string. If it is, then erase value error. Title cannot be empty. Step 5, add another if statement. If year less than 1895, erase value error. Year must be 1895 or later. Step 6. If director will be empty string as well, raise value error, director cannot be empty. Step 7. Add if statement. If duration less or equals 0, raise value error, duration must be positive. Step 8. Add try except condition. Move movie1 instance inside the try block. Accept value error as E, where E it is an error. Print a validation error, semicolon E. Step 9. Create class media catalog. Define init method that accepts else. Inside the init method put self items equals empty list. Step 10. To the media catalog class, add method that is accepting self and media items. Self items append media items. Step 11. To the media catalog class, add string method that is accepting self as a parameter. String methods should include if statement. If length of the self items is equal 0, return media catalog empty. Step 12. Create variable result. Result variable should to be equals f-string, media catalog length, self items, and 2 new line characters in the end of the string. Step 13, we need to create for loop to iterate through the self-items list. The iterable function in Python is used to iterate over an iterable while keeping track of both the index and value. For index and item, in iterable self-items start from 1. Result concatenate f-string index.item, breaking line character, return result. Step 14. We need to create instance of Catalogue by assigning it to the media catalog. Then in a try block, after movie 1, we need to add movie 1 to the catalog with the add function. Bring catalog to the console. Step 15, create another instance, movie 2. I chose the Matrix 2 movie and append this new instance to the catalog. Step 16, create class TV series that will be inherited from the movie class. Step 17. TV series class supposed to have init method. Copy self, title, year, director, and duration from the movie class. Also add seasons and total episodes parameters. In the body of the method, self seasons equals seasons, self total episodes equals total episodes. Step 18. We need to inherit title, year, director, and duration parameters from the parent class with using superfunction. Step 19. In init method of the TV series class, add if statements. If seasons less than 1 raise value error. Seasons must be 1 or greater. The same you need to do for total episodes. If it is less than 1, total episodes must be 1 or greater. Step 20. Create a series 1 variable that will be an instance of TV series class. I'm sorry, I'm too lazy to check for real data, so I will put just forever. Step 21. Delete print series 1 statement. Step 22. In TV series class, add custom string method. The method needs to return f-string the following format. Step 23. Use the add method of the catalog to add series to the items. And then create series 2 instance the same way like series 1 and add them to the catalog as well. Step 24. Add doctype string to the top of the movie class, parent class representing a movie. Step 25. Add print statements. Movie 1 underscores doc, series 1 underscores doc. Step 26. Add doc string for TV series class. child class representing an entire TV series. Step 27. Delete two last print statements. Step 28. Add docstring to the media catalog class, a catalog that can store different types of media items. Step 29. Add if statement if not is instance media item movie, race, type error. Only movie or TV series instances can be added. Step 30. Create class media error that inherits from built-in exception class. Add doc type custom exception for media-related errors. Step 31. Add init method to the media error. This init method should accept self, message, and object. It's also should to inherit init method from the exception parent class, where we are passing message as a parameter. Also assign self object to object. Step 32. Change add method of the media catalog class. Now it's supposed to erase media error and also add second parameter media item. Step 33. Add one more except block. Accept media error as E, print media error E. Step 34. We are creating error by putting a series 2 in a quotes. Step 35. Copy-paste print statement to accept a block for media error. Now you can see the error in the console. Step 36. Delete quotes from series 2. Step 37. We need to create getMovies function. I'm too lazy to write several lines of code, I'm sorry. I will use list comprehension syntaxes. We need to return all the instances of the movie class. Item for iterable list we will call item. So we need to return item for item in self items. And then we add condition if a type item is movie. Step 38, we need to create getTVSeries method the same way how we created getMovies method. I will copy-paste getMovies method and change the name getTVSeries and also change if statements. Now it is instance item TV series. Step 39. Create two variables movies and series and call two functions getMovies and getTVSeries. Step 40. Add if statement. If movies, concatenate to result string movies with ending line character. Step 41. Move for loop inside the if statement and replace self items with movies. And finally, step 42. Copy if movies block, change movies on series and change the name of the variable. And change the header as well, from the movies to TV series. Okay, we finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.